Hey everybody, welcome back. Here we go, doing first drive with a tag in the Rolls Royce, the Project Gift Horse. So right now we're back out of my driveway and we're getting on the road. So this will be the first time this car's been driven with a plate on it, and I want to say almost 10 years. And the car does need a little work. It has its own problems. You know, the suspension's a little worn because it's a California car, so it's set out and got dry rotted and never got driven. It has the hydraulic fluid, not regular brake fluid, that seems to seep from some of the fittings. So the brakes are always telling you that there are brake pressure issues, even though the brakes feel fine and they make good pressure. There's no air in the system. Overall, the car drives nice for being as obviously worn as it is, even though it's only got about 50,000 miles on the clock. Overall, I think the car is a fine automobile, but it does need a little work. It does need a little help, and that's the whole point of this being Project Gift Horse. Is the car was given to me by a customer who decided they no longer wanted to have to deal with any of the Rolls Royce problems. So I got the car 10 months ago or so, and it's taken me a while to get it roadworthy, which I had it out before with a temp tag on it, and took it to Caffeine and Octane, and now it actually has a legit plate on the back. With actually tagged for this car. So overall, I'm kind of happy with it, that I'm able to go drive it now, like legitimately on the street with an actual license plate. I'm going to do more work to it, so I'm hoping anybody watching this will continue to watch and see what gets done with Project Gift Horse here. And I hope that I can make this into a legitimate show car and get it out on the road more often, take it to some more shows, take it to some events, and just have a good time with it. But anyway, thanks for watching this and listening to me talk about the car. Once I get more going, we'll do more with more drives, more shows, and more of the build process. But right now, I have some other things I have to focus on first, and then we'll be able to go back to this car. But again, thanks for watching this. I really do appreciate every view I get. None of this makes me any money so far, so please make sure to like, share, subscribe. It helps me out tremendously, and maybe at some point I can get to the point of some of these other guys and have a legit channel where I can focus more on content rather than my actual job working here. But thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check me out on Facebook. Look up Euromotive Technical. Give me a follow there, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one.